This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry rice with cabbage. For this dish, you will need cabbage, carrots, fresh shiitake mushrooms. You can also use the dried mushrooms as well, but you need to soak them first. Dried shrimps, rice wine, pork belly, and 3 cups of uncooked rice. I'm using jasmine rice here. Let's start with the rice. There are 2 things you need to note about the rice. First, the cups that you use to measure rice for your rice cooker is not the same as your regular cups. These cups are quite a lot smaller. Secondly, when we cook rice, we usually use 1 part rice to 1.1 part water. However, in this case, because the cabbage will release some water, we will be using 1 part rice to 1 part water. Cook the rice as you normally would. Next, pour the rice wine into the dried shrimps and let this soak for a while. Cut up your cabbage. Cut it into half. Remove the core. Then cut it up into about 2 to 3 inch pieces. Try to break up the leaves so that you don't get a big chunk of cabbage when you cook them. Remove the stems of the mushrooms and slice them up. For the carrot, chop off the end and peel it. Then julienne the carrot. I'm using this julienne peeler here, which comes in very handy. Next, cut up your pork belly into 1 cm pieces. To cook, put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, put in your pork belly. Cook the pork till you extract the oil and the flavour from the pork. When the oil is rendered out of the pork, add in your dried shrimps together with the cooking wine. Fry it till it's fragrant. Then, add the carrot and mushrooms. Next, add soy sauce and pepper. Put in all your cabbage. Add in the water and give it a good mix. cover, and let the steam tenderize the cabbage. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how firm or tender you want the cabbage. Add in salt and sugar. Give it a good mix again. Then add in the rice. Make sure you combine the rice and the ingredients well. You want to coat every grain of rice with the flavor that you have developed. But be gentle, especially when you're using freshly cooked rice, as freshly cooked rice is very soft and it does not hold up well to vigorous stirring. While mixing, the rice will absorb the flavor and the moisture from the ingredients. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Mine needs a little bit more salt. You can cook this in advance and put the rice back in the rice cooker and keep it warm till everybody is ready for dinner. This goes well with a simple soup on the side. This is stir-fry rice with cabbage.